failed attempt at being a body guy.
Well, you gotta start and end somewhere.
We will not be going out on top on this one, unfortunately. I started from the bottom and I stayed there.
Yeah. I'm still here. Still here.
Yep, there's a spot where the hood always fucking gets it.
Yeah.
Did you see the bottom of the door?
Yeah.
So it's rubbing right here somewhere, and you can see the door is actually kicked out.
Is the door out or is the fender in?
Yes. I don't know.
The fender's probably in. That's an easy fix.
Because it's been that way since, remember when Gypsy Mike fucking hit the goddamn piece of wood and broke the mirror and shattered us with glass?
Yeah.
It's been like that ever since.
Gotcha.
But the door actually hits. Actually, I don't even know what the fucking door is hitting anymore.
It's hit the fender right there.
Oh no, it's the skirt it was hitting. I think.
Is this the fender's in?
Well, maybe it is.
That's an easy fix.
Okay.
You take something in there and just kind of bend it back out.
Okay.
But that's where you can see it when you shut it. It just barely touches.
I think it was I think it was hitting the skirt as well, but I don't know. I'm trying to get all this fucking progress going.
Well, I mean, what all you got left to do?
So I gotta put the brakes that came into the trailer on it. I'm putting all new brakes and whatnot on that. I mean, that poor trailer is,
Yeah.
you know what I mean?
Yeah, been used and abused.
Yeah, and that's why, I had access to the blast booth.
Yeah.
And so we took it in there, blasted it, then rolled it into the paint booth and fucking knocked it out. So that, I put the big winch, and sealed the deck on the big flatbed trailer. And then this thing needs what it needs, you know what I mean? But it's coming along.
Yeah.
The motor was so fucked up on this thing.
I know, man.
And you know how Chris don't talk shit about people.
Yeah.
Well,
he sometimes does. Depends.
Well, he still didn't even talk shit. He just told me the facts, and he didn't even want to. So when Homeboy decked this fucking motor,
Yeah.
he didn't have the right tooling for it.
Right.
So he used the fucking 302 tooling.
Yeah.
The heads was decked like, what did he say? 0.15 or 15 thousandths or whatever out. So my pistons now come out the hole. Because you have to redeck it.
Right.
And so with the head gasket we have on there, it's fine. It won't be a problem.
Right.
But that was the first time I heard him basically tell me that Mark did it wrong.
Right.
And that was about the best I could get him to talk shit.
He's such a nice guy.
He is. Dude, so I didn't tell you what happened.
No.
I get the motor on Friday.
Yep.
Tuesday, or no, Monday I'm at work. And my phone rings, I'm in a meeting, so it just rings and I send it to voicemail because it's on silent. And then it rings again, and I'm like, fuck man, I can't do nothing. And then I get a text from him. It's like, hey man, I think your motor has the wrong front seal in it. Give me a call. Like, get out of the meeting and give us a call. He's like, yeah, I got an LT motor right here.
Yeah.
And it has an LS seal with it. I'm pretty sure your motor has an LT seal in it. And I'm like, fuck man, alright, you need me to bring it back? And he's like, no. I'll come to you.
He came down here.
Yeah. I was like, oh, all right. So yeah, because I didn't have the big socket, which I ended up actually going and buying because I needed an inch and a 16th 12 point.
Yeah.
And I didn't have that. I got an inch and a 16th, just not in 12 point.
Yeah.
So he brought all the tools down and we bullshit and he knocked it out. But shit like that was just like, fuck yeah, dude, you're the shit, man.
Yeah.
Most people would have just been like, well, fuck that, dude.
Yeah, he'll figure it out.
Yeah.
I told you.
Yeah, no, I mean, fucking, I wish I would have known about him the first time. Would have saved me. Fucking God knows how much money. Because not only so, you know how in that one picture, the studs, the main studs looked like they were different lengths?
Well, they are. They're supposed to be.
No. Like the inner ones.
We're all different lengths?
It's what it looked like because they had shot peen down in the fucking holes. When they shot peen the block,
Yeah.
they got down in, and then they torqued them down.
That's where those pictures, that's where it was?
Yeah. Yeah, there was that. There was a bunch of things. And I'm just like, oh fuck, how was, you know what I mean? Yeah. Some of it I was like, God, I should have noticed that. And then other stuff I'm like, well, there's no fucking way for it, you know what I mean?
Yeah. So I mean, you would have to tear the motor apart now.
Yeah, and when I did, I just kept noticing little things, and then you were pointing out things when I was showing you pictures.
Yeah.
And then fucking Bobby called me and was like, bro, he was the one who called me. He was like, something's up with those fucking, with those studs.
Yeah.
Subaru done while I'm there, but I don't know anyone who has a spot to work on shit.
I just have to get a storage unit.
Yeah, I might. So I'm taking a trailer and all the tools.
Yeah.
You'll have to see what's what down there. Problem with storage unit is they don't have power most of the time.
Right.
They have an auto hobby shop on base.
Yeah.
But I don't know. I gotta talk to them and see how cool they are about, you know. Can I just bring all my shit in here?
Yeah.
I don't really need your guys' stuff. I have way nicer things.
Yeah.
So how fuck are we gonna do with the flames there?
I mean, at this point, it just is what it is.
Oh yeah.
What I think I'm going to do is I'm going to paint the door. So I taped around everything. So this flame I'll be able to save.
Yeah.
The only thing it'll be from this hook to the tip here is the only thing I'm going to have to make.
Yeah.
And then on that side, on the fender.
Yeah, it's just a little.
Yeah. So I took pictures of everything. So I have like, you know, but I mean, it's pretty basic, but
Yeah.
the problem is I'm going to be blending the black back into this.
Yeah.
So it's not like darker in one spot. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint the blue. I'm going to mask up the flames, paint the blue, and then clear coat the door and the fender. You know what I mean?
Okay.
And then after the clear coat dries, I'll wet sand the door down, and then I'll lay the flame out on top of the clear coat. And that way, if I paint it, if I spray the black on, and it looks goofy, we can take lacquer thinner and just wipe it back off.
And then do it.
Yeah, it'll be over top of the clear.
Yeah.
I think that's going to be the best way to do it.
I did that.
Because I haven't done anything like this in like at least 10 years since I left Gary. So
Yeah. I'm not like too in a hurry at the moment because I won't even have the clutch until Tuesday.
yeah,
And then I still have another, it'll be next week before it's ready.
Right.
Because I didn't want to. I need to go. I need to get the oil priming thing from Chris to prime the motor.
You just pour it in the pump. Just pour it in the pump?
Nope. He told me to come see him and get the pressure pot, and he'd let me borrow it.
Okay.
That's what he told me to do.
Yeah. Because I normally just take this plug out right here.
Yeah, he told me to pop that plug and then hook the pressure pot up
to it and then pump it in.
and pump it through.
I'll take a piece of 3/8 tubing and threads right in the hole, like in the threads. And then I take a funnel and stick it up and I just pour like 1.5 quarts of oil in it. And literally, as soon as I fire it, it'll be boom, has
Yeah.
pressure. So.
Yeah,
Maybe
that's.
he changed his ways.
Yeah, that's just how he told me to do it. He asked me if I had one. I'm like, yeah, no. do most assholes have one of those? 'Cause that's crazy talk.
Alright, well, did you find the plastic?
Yep. You have no more?
That's enough.
Probably don't even need to cut it off right now, do we?
Nah.
Big one.
Yeah,
The mother.
that big mother trucker.
My failed attempt at being a body guy.
Well, you gotta start and end somewhere.
We will not be going out on top on this one, unfortunately. Started from the bottom and I stayed there.
Yeah. I'm still here. Still here.
Oh, do we need to primer that spot where it was rubbing?
No. No, we'll just hit it. We're gonna paint it, we'll just hit it with some 320. Just put some paint on it and it'll be fine.
Okay.
Because if you prime it and then paint it, it's gonna have like an obsessive build there.
Okay,
And then when we, you know what I mean?
Never get it right.
Easier, just take, there's little spots like that, just take them down and just hit them with some paint. And then you don't have, you just got paint and clear there.
Okay. And just like that, it's going. Came out so nice. So nice, so nice. Alright, so I got the new radiator in. It was a big pain in the ass. I forgot how tight everything was in here. I had to oblong the holes a little bit on the bottom to get the whole radiator to go that way a little bit, which then left me a little bit of an issue with my radiator lines because they're all solid mounts with just rubber connectors. And you can't really see down there, but there is like no room between that bracket and that line right there. See, it scratched up a little bit, but it's not the end of the world. Yeah, it's a tight fit. But I mean, it's not like I expected anything else. It's a LS in a little 350Z. So I'm more so just getting everything mocked up at this point to make sure everything fits. And we're not going to have any major issues. I still got to get hose clamps put on all of them. But I don't want to go too far because I know I have to wiggle this motor around a good bit in order to put the headers in. And I don't want to really start playing with the headers until I put the car up in the air. And we're not going to put the car up in the air until Bean finishes all the painting. So it's kind of just doing what I can at this point. I'm not sure where all this is going to fall in the video. I'll probably do a video for Bean painting and then a video for some of the little stuff, and I don't know, who knows. So, yay. Also, I pulled the window regulator motor out of the car because it's been bad for years. I just never got around to it, but I had to pull the door apart so Bean can repaint this door. So I figured while I was in there, go ahead and yank all that out. So we did that too. But I think I'm gonna call it for the day because realistically I can't get a whole lot done. So you guys have a good one and we'll check you out later.